Today's word is nice, fast, easy food to cook. Everyone knows how to cook it. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have QAYDANAQ. QAYDANAQ. QAYDANAQ is, you guessed it right, is an omelette or scrambled eggs. Now, let's take a look at some phrases. To make an omelette or scrambled eggs for breakfast. Guess what? See what I added for you? QAYDANAQ bişirmək. To make, to cook. Okay? Straightforward, nice and easy. Səhər yeməyi üçün qayğanaq. Scrambled eggs for breakfast. Also nice and easy. Səhər yeməyi, we already learned it. It's a breakfast. Üçün for scrambled eggs. Qayğanaq again. Now, what you make omelette and scrambled eggs with is egg. Egg in Azerbaijani is yumurta. Somehow, the food you make out of it, you call it qayğanaq. Now, let's take a look at some sentences. Bu səhər tələsik olduğuma baxmayaraq pendir və göyərti ilə dadlı bir qayğanaq bişirib hamını masaya topladım. Nice sentence. Well done, whoever did this. Let's translate. Even though I was in a hurry this morning, I whipped up a delicious omelette with cheese and herbs and gathered everyone at a table. Tələsik olduğuma baxmayaraq. Even though I was in a hurry. Baxmayaraq is despite, even though. That's how you translate it. And you can add it to whatever word you want. İstədiyimə baxmayaraq, despite I wanted. İstəmədiyimə baxmayaraq, despite I didn't want. You can add it anywhere. Bu səhər, this morning. Tələsik olmaq, to be in a hurry, basically. Tələsik olduğuma baxmayaraq, despite I was in a hurry, even though I was in a hurry. Pendir və göyərti ilə. With cheese and herbs ile with. Pendir, cheese, göyərti, herbs. And this can be any herbs, like let's say if you see green onions, cilantro, dill, parsley, that's like most popular greens in Azerbaijan. You can call them all in a single name, göyərti. Okay? Dadlı bir qayğanaq bişirib, I whipped up, I cooked a delicious omelet, dadlı, delicious. Hamını masaya topladım. Gathered everyone at the table. How we know I did it? Topladım. I gathered. I collected. You can use this word in somewhere else too. Okay? Another one. Həftə sonu gəzintisindən sonra ac qayıtdıq və isti çörək, təzə pomidor və yumşaq bir qayğanaq ilə özümüzə gəldik. Let's see what they're saying. We came back hungry after our weekend outing and felt like ourselves again after some warm bread, fresh tomatoes, and soft omelette. Yumuşak bir qayğanaq, a soft omelette. Let's put it aside. İlə, with, basically, with these. What else? İsti çörək, warm bread, təzə pomidor. You see how I'm saying? Pomidor, you're right. That's a loan word, that's why, from Russian. Fresh tomatoes. Okay? Now, həftə sonu. We already know this. That's a weekend. Straightforward translation. Həftə, week, sonu, of the end. The end of the week, basically. Gəzinti, it's a outing, walking, hang out. Həftə sonu gəzintisindən sonra, after, hang out, weekend outing. Ac qayıtdıq. We came back hungry. Qayıtmaq, to come back. Qayıtdıq, we came back. Ac, hungry. This part I translated, but I'll read it for you. Həftə sonu gəzintisindən sonra, after our weekend outing, ac qayıtdıq. We came back hungry. Və isti çörək, təzə pomidor and yumşaq bir qayğanaq ilə özümüzə gəldik. And felt like ourselves again. Özümüzə gəlmək, to feel back yourself, basically. That's what it says. Felt like ourselves again. After some warm bread, fresh tomatoes, and soft omelette. All right? That was my way of using word qayğanaq in regular sentences. Of course, I have a dad joke used for you too. Let's see. If breakfast is a mood, my QAYDANAQ is my plot twist. Now, if you're interested in learning more about Azerbaijani language, that is grammar foundations, I have a Master Azerbaijani app that is available in App Store and Google Store to be downloaded. I also have for you masterazerbaijani.com, where every 10 days you'll get to learn more about the language and all the aspects of it. Otherwise, I'll be here tomorrow for a brand new word.